Yes. All the way? Got it. Gotcha. I got you under my skin.
What you doing, Chris? Are you playing with Grandma?
Sometimes you get stuck. Sometimes you get stuck, don't you? Stuck. You ready?
Ready? Now?
Grandma got you.
Grandma's cuddle.
Mm.
Grandma's big tunnel under there on her jacket. I got you in my jacket.
It's a long way up, isn't it, Chris? Long way up.
Because that's, you prefer that side, don't you?
You flick your legs up.
There you go.
There we go. It's room to kick his leg up.
I'm leaning on you. I'm leaning on you. Yeah, I'm leaning on you. Oh, you got away.
Have you got a nice big kiss for Grandma?
Yeah.
No.
What was that? It's no kiss.
Big kiss. You give good kisses, Chris.
Where's Chris?
Grandma loves a nice big cuddling kiss.
Here comes a kiss. If I can't be given one